Have you ever tasted a stew that glows faintly under the moonlight? I'm live at Aurora's Dockside in southern Thalassia, a small island nation bathed in warm sea breezes and golden sunset. This place sits right where fishermen unload their morning catch. Just one reason why their signature dish, lunar-type stew, feels like pure magic in every spoonful. As I step inside the open-air dining hall, the scent of roasting garlic, fresh olive oil, and ripe tomatoes hits me first. Sunlight filters through woven palm leaves overhead, casting dancing shadows on weathered wooden tables. The walls are draped with nets full of bluefin moonfish, a shimmering local specialty, believed to guide good luck at sea. Every morning at dawn, a fleet of small boats returns with nets teeming with this firm, milky white fish. Local fishers say it tastes best when the tide is high and the moon is full, hence the name. But the real star here is the star mushroom, an elusive fungus that grows only in Thalassia's foggy highland. It looks like a tiny five-pointed star and gives off a gentle, pale glow when cooked. Harvesters climb misty slopes before sunrise, gathering clusters of these mushrooms where volcanic ash meets cool mountain air. They bring them down to market in woven baskets scented with wild thyme. The chef combines bluefin moonfish cubes, star mushrooms, plump-like mussels, and sun-ripened tomatoes in a giant copper cauldron. First, he sears the fish in local olive oil until the edges caramelize. Then he tosses in minced garlic, using these onions and chopped heirloom tomatoes grown on terrace hillsides. After a few minutes, he adds a rich fish broth made from simmered bones and a splash of white wine from nearby vineyard. Finally, a handful of star mushrooms goes in, and the whole mix simmers until the mushrooms gently soften and the glow fades into the broth. When the stew is ready, it's ladled into deep bowls lined with fragrant banana leaves. A final sprinkle of sea salt harvested from evaporated lagoon pools and a drizzle of chini-infused oil give it that perfect balance of spicy warmth and coastal freshness. The steam rising from the bowl carries hints of smoke and brine. I scoop up my first bite. Tender moonfish that flakes apart on my tongue, sweet tomato broth with a smoky edge, and tiny bits of star mushroom that add a chewy, almost crisp texture. The glow is subtle now, more of a silky sheen on the broth surface than a perfect light, but it feels like eating a piece of the Thalassian sky. The mussels pop open, releasing salty juice that blends beautifully with the garlicky base. Locals here believe lunar-type stew brings calm seas and safe voyages. During the annual Monk Blessing Festival, every family shares this meal under lantern light, passing bowls from one generation to the next. For visitors, a single bowl offers a taste of the Thalassia sea-scarred history, mountain mysteries, and slow food traditions all at once. Take my advice, book a seat at Aurora's Dockside, and follow the scent of garlic and sea spray. Trust me, this is one stew you'll tell your friends about long after the last drop is gone.